Hi guys, so in today's video I'm finally doing a stationery haul. You guys were requesting me and even I wanted to shop for stationery. Everything here in Pune was closed and then I went for a small trip, so I couldn't shop anything. But finally, before coming back, I ordered a bunch of things from Amazon and Flipkart both. So there's a mix of both of their stationery offerings, and yeah, I thought of sharing with you guys basically whatever I got. Now I'm going to be sharing with you guys just the products. If you want to see how to use them, like trying out new stationery items, you can subscribe to my new Study with Himani channel, where I basically upload study videos in Hindi as recommended by y'all. So do subscribe to that channel. I'll link it down below. And also on that channel, you'll get to see a lot of study related videos, stationery related videos, and in this channel, you'll see a lot of hauls and just lifestyle stuff. So I hope you guys like it. Now, one by one, I'll be sharing with you guys all of these stationery items. I'll link all of them in the description box below. So do check them out. And also, I just want to mention some links, not all the links, but some links can be affiliate. You are not paying anything extra, but just I might earn a commission, and it's not at all sponsored, because why would Amazon and Flipkart both sponsor me in one video? So the first item that I got is the Dom's metallic brush pens. Now you guys know I really like the Camlin brush pens, and a lot of you all recommended me to try out these ones. They are so cool, and they came in a pack of 10, I believe, and it was for 250 rupees, which is a little expensive, but I think it's quite reasonable. I'm very excited to try it out. The next is this 12 color watercolor pen marker set. Now since now I've got a lot of free time, I really want to indulge in a lot of self-care activities like coloring and all of that. So I ordered this one. This is the Flair Creative Dura Bold watercolor markers. This was for only 100 rupees, and the markers are pretty sturdy, I must say. Now whatever I'm showing you right now is something that I've got from Flipkart, and the Amazon packages were packed here, so you'll get to know. So this is how the marker looks like. So I'm excited to try them out. They had another variant in this as well, but I went for this Dura Bold watercolor markers. Then I got the Pilot V5 pen in the set of blue, black and red. They also had a set of all blue and blue black, and even green, if I'm not wrong. So a lot of you have requested me to try out the Pilot pens, and I have actually used them, but I thought of investing in like this trio pack so that I can use it. And anyway, these a little expensive pens are quite different from our regular 10-20 rupees pen. So I'm very excited to try it out. And also I've been doing a lot of journaling and writing, so they're going to be very useful for me. Next is something I was shocked. Okay, this is the Flair's erasable highlighters. I didn't know they existed until I saw them on Flipkart. They are super duper affordable as well. I think they were for 120 rupees or something. I'll put the pictures on screen. First of all, the colors are pastel. I love it. I cannot wait to try it out, and it's erasable, so that's even added on. I am so happy that now our Indian stationery brands are coming out with affordable and quite quirky and very cute stationery items. Now let's start with the Amazon ones that I purchased from Amazon. So first I got these pack of if I'm not wrong, 12 fine liner pens. Now as I told you, I've been into a lot of journaling and writing a lot of rituals and all of those things. Like I wouldn't say like it's exactly journaling, but a lot of writing. So for that I require a lot of multicolor pens, and I prefer fine line pens. So I got this. This was from a local brand. They are pretty decent. Of course, I'll share with you guys in my other channel when I'm trying it out. But I really like the size. They're quite comfortable, slim, just how I like it. And these were, I think, around for 250 rupees or something. So you can try it out. The next thing that I got is a pack of color pencils. Again, for the same, like you guys know, I also have a lot of coloring sheets in my planner, and I wanted some new color pencils. I was using the Dom's one, so I got the Faber-Castell one in triangle. So these are their normal triangular color pencils. Now I wanted their 2-in-1 color pencils, where you have 2 shades in one pencil, but I don't know why I couldn't find it, so I ended up ordering this one. Again, this was for I think around 200 rupees or something. Very affordable. You get in total of 24 shades. And if you want to get like the best color pencil, I would recommend the Faber-Castell one. They are very nice. And again, I got this from Amazon, so I think I got like around 10-15 rupees off on this. And they also have a bunch of different variants, like they have like 50 shades and all, so you can check it out. Now the next two items are my favorite. These are notebooks and I wanted them so badly, and I actually don't need notebooks, but I wanted to buy new notebooks, so I ended up getting them. So the first one is my absolute favorite and it's from Navneet. Like, yes, this notebook that you're seeing is from Navneet. It's from their HQ variant and they have this is a 5 subject notebook and it's spiral bound, and just look at the quality. I was shocked. It is very, very price friendly. It is so good. It is very high quality. You feel like you're holding a luxurious book. It comes with this little pocket to store in the front page, and then you have your regular papers. I have the single line ones with dividers, and look at the quality of the paper. It is so good, and I really like the quality of the dividers as well. They had like a bunch of different color options in them, so you can check it out, but I got this mint green one. It might appear a little bluish on screen, but it's like mint green and it's one of my favorite colors. I'm so happy, and I'm really, really glad that our local Indian brands like Navneet and all are coming out with such good quality products. This one was for 185 rupees, but I think I got it on discount from Amazon, so that was great. And I'm so happy. I'm gonna buy more things from their HQ brand variant. So let me know what all would you recommend me to buy. Like, they have a lot of different notebooks in different sizes, so I might get more of these notebooks because the quality is top notch. And according, since I got this one, I wanted to get another notebook from a different brand, which again I was eyeing on. So this one, I got it in this very pretty pink color. Now I wanted to get this in mint green as well, but since I already got the Navneet one, I ended up getting this one in mint color. It's from the brand called Minora. I have actually not heard about it, but the quality is so good. I think I paid around 300 rupees for this one, and it's spiral bound, and you can easily see the difference of the pages in this and the Navneet one. It's quite easy. This is more like a cardstock paper, and I got this one in the dotted print instead of like single line ruled. I got it in the dotted variant, and I'm so happy that I got it. Like, I can use it for a lot of different things, like my video ideas and all of that, and I'm gonna get more. They had 3 different sizes, like B5, A4 and A3, something like that, and I got this one, and I'm so happy. They also have this little page. So these stationery items are super cute and completely worth your money. Again, they had like a bunch of different colors, so you can choose whichever you like, but I'm very happy. You can see it's like this reflective pattern. So I was very satisfied with these notebooks that I got. There were also a couple of different notebooks available, but I just wanted to get 2 first, and then if I like them, then and only I would order more of it. So these were the stationery items that I got. I hope you guys liked this and enjoyed this video. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll link all of these products in the description box in case you want to buy them. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.